Hello everyone, welcome to Olympiad Junction and my name is Devanshu Sharma. Here on this channel, we make a lot of videos to help students to prepare for Olympiads. And apart from that, we prepare a lot of videos to provide key information regarding Olympiads like admission process, eligibility criteria, syllabus of that particular Olympiad and many more. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. In this video, we are going to talk about IMO, SOF IMO, that is previous year paper of SOF IMO 2020. And in this video, we are going to talk about logical reasoning section. Now, we must be aware about the logical reasoning section, which consists of 15 questions out of a total of 50 questions. 15 out of 50. So that is basically 30% of the questions are from logical reasoning. So it is a very important section if we are talking about SOF IMO. So we are going to solve that paper and let's start with the first question. So now the position of how many digits will remain same if the digits in the number 97215368 are rearranged in the descending order. So first of all, let's write down all the digits. Like the number which is written 97215368, इसको उसी order में लिख देते हैं. Then we'll write it down in the descending order. So the descending order will look something like this. अभी यहाँ पर देखना है after the arrangement, what are the digits which will remain same in the same position. So as we can see, this 9 is at the same position, right? 9 is at the same position. Then 5 at the same position and 3 at the same position. So we can say that there are 3 digits which will remain same in the same position. So that's why option 4 should be the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So there are 3 positions of a dice are shown below. Which of the following alphabet is on the face opposite to the face having alphabet B? Now, in the first 2 dices, as we can see, E is common and at the same position. E कॉमन अल्फाबेट है और वो सेम पोजीशन पे. सो ऐसा एक रूल होता है. द रूल सेज दैट इफ देयर इज अ नंबर और एन अल्फाबेट, सेम नंबर और सेम अल्फाबेट एट द सेम पोजीशन, देन सेम पोजीशन वाले और सभी चीजें ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर होती है. So I would say A is opposite to D, C is opposite to F, so E can be opposite to only B, so B opposite to E, so that's why option 2 should have been the correct answer. Next question. Now, which of the following figure is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part? अभी देखते हैं यहाँ पर. So basically, ये ऐसा कुछ हमें क्या दिख रहा है? क्या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूं that option 2 is exactly embedded in the given figure, so that's why option 2 should be the correct answer. Next question. Now, in a certain code language, 348 means she likes apple. 8375 means parrots like apples lot. 748 means she likes parrots. So अभी हमें ये देखना है what is the code for parrot in that particular language. तो पहले 348 she like apples. उसके बाद 8375 parrots likes apples lot, and the last one 748 she likes parrot. Now as we can see, likes is there in all the 3 codes. So यहाँ पर what is the number or what is the digit which is common to all the 3? क्या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ 8 है वो. So basically I would say that likes is coded as 8 and I'll write it everywhere down. Then उसके बाद अगर मैं देखूं she फर्स्ट और थर्ड सेंटेंस दोनों में, और वहां पर कॉमन मुझे क्या दिख रहा है 4. सो आई कैन से दैट 4 विल बी प्लेस्ड हियर एंड एप्पल्स वुड बी 3 एंड फाइनली पैरट्स वुड बी 7. सो वी कैन से दैट ऑप्शन 4 should have been the correct answer for this one. So moving on to the next question. Savita walks 20 meters to the west, then turns left and walks 18 meters side by side. Simultaneously, we'll make the diagram. So Savita walks 20 meters to the west. तो यहाँ पर मैंने 20 meters का arrow create कर दिया. Then she turns to the left and walks 18 meters. It will look something like this. Then again turns left and walks 13 meters. ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा. And finally right and walks 6 meters. So will look something like this. Now, how far and in which direction is she now with respect to the starting point? So I would say that this is the starting point and this would be your ending point. So अगर मैं starting से ending में देखता हूँ, so it will look something like this, and I would say that the direction of the ending point with respect to the starting point would be southwest. Now I have to find out what is the distance between the starting and the ending point. ये जो आपको this line you are able to see, इसका length कितना होगा? तो यहाँ पर I'll be making a right angle triangle which will look something like this. यहाँ पर ये 24 कैसे आया? This 24 will come with the help of 18 plus 6 and the 7 will be equal to 20, a total of 20 minus 13, so 7 centimeters. Now in this particular right angle triangle, right angled at this position, can I say that the base is 7 and the perpendicular is 24? So this should be equal to whole under root of 7 square plus 24 square, which is equal to 25, and we would say that 25 centimeters in the 25 meters, it should be rather 25 meters in the southwest direction. That is option 2, which would have been the correct answer. Next question, find the odd one out. This is a very interesting question. तो यहाँ पर ये बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन कई बार स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. सो अगर मैं ऐसा देखूं, एक बड़ा रेक्टेंगल है जो कि which is not shaded, then there is a छोटा rectangle again not shaded, and finally a small rectangle which is shaded. So they are always in the clockwise motion. Okay, यहाँ पर भी as we can see it is in the clockwise motion. यहाँ पर it is in a anti-clockwise motion. First there is a rectangle, first there is a big ऐसा वाला rectangle which is not shaded, then there is a smaller rectangle again not shaded, and finally a smaller rectangle which is shaded. So it always comes in the clockwise direction, and as we can see in this one, again it is in the clockwise direction, but for the third option it is anti-clockwise direction, and we can say that option 3 should have been the correct answer. Next question. Now select the figure from the options which satisfy the same conditions of placement of the dots as in the given figure. तो यहाँ पर अगर मैं dots को अच्छे से analyze करता हूँ, यहाँ पर can I say that only the dot will cover only the triangular part, उसका किसी और के साथ intersection नहीं है. This dot will be having the circle and the square. This dot has all the three figures, circle, square and the triangle. यहाँ पर in the option 2 I can see that there is no part which is only triangle, so this is absolutely incorrect. In the second part I cannot see only a circle and a square. यहाँ पर तीनों के तीनों given है. I want 3 parts. एक part में only triangle should be there, एक part में only circle and the square should be there, and एक part में at least एक part में all the 3 figures should be there. यहाँ पर मुझे वो second वाला criteria नहीं दिख रहा. I would say by representing the dot ये वाला criteria नहीं दिख रहा जहाँ पर only the circle and the square exist. यहाँ पर भी in the third one also I am not able to see anywhere जहाँ पर खाली circle और square exist करते हैं. But in the fourth one there is a portion, ये वाला portion हमें सिर्फ circle और square देता है, ये वाला portion हमें सिर्फ triangle देता है, और ये वाला portion ये वाला portion will give me all the 3 figures. So that's why option 4 should have been the correct answer. Next question. Now a building has 7 floors and they are numbered 1 to 7 in such a way that the ground floor is numbered 1, then the floor above it is numbered 2, and so on, and the topmost floor is numbered 7. Now ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा, मतलब अगर मैं फ्लोर्स को कंसिडर करूं, सबसे नीचे 1 और सबसे ऊपर 7 in the same order. Now 1 out of 7 people P, Q, R, S, T, U and V lives on each floor. हर एक P, Q, R, S, T, U, V ये 7 लोग 7 अलग अलग फ्लोर्स पे रहते हैं. P lives on the 4th floor, directly given. Okay, then T lives on the floor immediately below U's floor. So I'll write it somewhere here that U lives below T. T lives below U because T lives on the floor immediately below. Okay, below U's floor. Then U does not live on 2nd or the 7th floor. U जो है वो ना ही यहाँ पर रहता है ना ही यहां पर रहता है। देन R lives on the third floor, ये clearly mentioned है फिर से, R on the third floor. Then Q does not live on a floor immediately above or below R. तो कहने से यहाँ पर Q नहीं आ सकता. Then S does not live on the topmost floor. S यहाँ पर नहीं आ सकता. Then V does not live on any floor below T. तो T के नीचे V नहीं आ सकता. We have to convert all the statements into a notational format. Who lives on the topmost floor? अभी देखो अच्छे से अगर इसको एनालाइज करेंगे, U और T को साइमल्टेनियसली मुझे एक के ऊपर एक प्लेस करना पड़ेगा, एंड देयर इज ओनली वन ऑप्शन जहां पर U और T प्लेस हो सकता है, दैट इज दिस वन. नाउ अगर मैं V की बात करूं, V कैन नॉट लिव ऑन द फ्लोर बिलो T, तो V को यहीं पे आना पड़ेगा, Q यहां पर आएगा, एंड फाइनली देयर इज ओनली वन पर्सन विच इज लेफ्ट. यहां पर हमने P कर लिया, Q हो गया, देन R, S इज रिमेनिंग विच विल कम हियर, एंड वी कैन से दैट हु लिव्स ऑन द टॉप मोस्ट फ्लोर, दैट इज V, विच इज ऑप्शन 2. दैट वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ W stands for division, X stands for multiplication, Y for subtraction, Z for addition. Then which of the following option is correct? यहाँ पर अगर मैं फर्स्ट वाले को एनकोड डिकोड करता हूँ तो वो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा, 6 into 20 divided by 12 minus 7 divided by 1 which is not equal to 38. Similarly सेकेंड वाला भी 38 के बराबर नहीं है, मतलब LHS RHS बराबर नहीं है. थर्ड वाले में 38 नहीं, it is not equal to 62 I would say. But the fourth one is equal to 70. अगर मैं fourth one को check करता हूं तो fourth वाले में 6 minus 20 plus 12 7 84 divided by 1 is basically 84. तो 84 plus 6 that is equal to 90 minus 20 which is equal to 70, and I would say that option 4 should be the correct answer, the only correct answer in this one. Then the next question. Select the figure from options which will continue the same series as established by the problem figure. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें तो देखो there is a clockwise shift from the first, this is let's number them, first, second, then this is third, then this is fourth, and this is fifth. So यहाँ पर from going from first to second there is a one position का shift in the clockwise direction if we are talking about cross. second से third में जाते हैं तो दो position का shift आता है, यहाँ से यहाँ पर पहुंच जाता है. third से fourth में जाते हैं तो एक position का shift आता है यहाँ से यहाँ पर, और fourth to fifth जाते हैं तो फिर से दो पोजीशन. सो वन पोजीशन टू पोजीशन, वन पोजीशन टू पोजीशन, एंड फाइनली देयर शुड बी अ शिफ्ट ऑफ ओनली वन पोजीशन. तो मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूं कि ये x की अगर बात करें तो यहां पर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो आई वुड से दैट ऑप्शन 4 एंड ऑप्शन 2 आर ऑलरेडी इनकरेक्ट. नाउ लेट्स कंपेयर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन एंड द थर्ड ऑप्शन. तो इसमें अगर मैं देखूं यहां पर अगर एडिशन ऑफ द डिजिट्स या फिर एडिशन ऑफ द सिंबल्स की बात करें तो देखो पहले फॉरवर्ड में एडिशन हुआ, उसके बाद x से पहले एडिशन हुआ, बैकवर्ड्स में एडिशन हुआ, फिर उसके बाद फॉरवर्ड में एडिशन हुआ, फिर उसके बाद बैकवर्ड्स में एडिशन हुआ. नाउ कैन आई से x के फॉरवर्ड में एडिशन होगा, तो अगर मैं इसको ऐसा बोलता हूं कि x के फॉरवर्ड में एडिशन होना चाहिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट एंड ऑप्शन 1 इज इनकरेक्ट. So let's move on to the next question. In a row of girls, Monica is fifth from the left end. So if we talk about the person called Monica, she is fifth from the left end. मतलब left end पे उसके 4 लोग हैं. Sonia is sixth from the right end. So we can say that Sonia के right end में 5 लोग और हैं. When they interchange their places, अगर सोनिया यहाँ पर आ जाती हैं और मोनिका यहाँ पर आ जाती हैं तो मोनिका becomes 13th from the left end. तो मोनिका के लेफ्ट में there are a total of 12 people क्योंकि 13th है. तो अभी मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ if we talk about this particular position, इसके लेफ्ट में there are 12 people, ये खुद एक पोजीशन और राइट में 5 लोग, तो टोटल ऑफ 18 people are there. Now what will be the Sonia's position, new position from the right end? तो right end में सोनिया के लेफ्ट में 4 लोग रहेंगे, सोनिया खुद एक, तो सोनिया के राइट में कितने लोग होंगे? कैन आई से 18 minus 5 which is equal to 13. So 13 people will be on the right of Sonia, so I can say that Sonia would be the 14th one from the right. Great. In the given Venn diagram, circle represents politicians. यहाँ पर लिख लेते हैं politicians. Then square represents cities. Then rectangle represents male. Now they are asking male politicians who are from cities. तो male भी चाहिए, politicians भी चाहिए और cities भी चाहिए. तो there should be a combination of all three. मतलब तीनों का intersection तो यहाँ दिख रहा है. So that's why option 8 should have been the correct answer. Next question. Find the correct water image of the given figure. मतलब उसका vertical inversion चाहिए मुझे. तो यहाँ पर जैसे ही इसका मैं vertical inversion करता हूँ, so सबसे पहले ये वाली चीज आएगी, vertically inverted आएगी, so it will look something like this, right? और ये जो चीज होगी ये नीचे चली जाएगी and ये भी vertically inverted होगी and it will look something like this. So I can say that option 4 is incorrect and side by side option 3 is also incorrect. Either option 1 is true or option 2 is true. If we are talking about a water image, तो अगर मैं water image लूंगा तो पहले ऊपर ये दिखेगा but in an inverted form, ऐसा कुछ, और ये जो O है that will go at this point. So I can say that option 2 should have been the correct answer for this question. And the last question for this logical reasoning part, study the given information and answer the following questions. So this is a coded relation question. So which of the following means L is the mother of N? So देख लेते हैं, first वाले को decode करके देखते हैं. L, then there is a pound का sign and M. So I would say L is the wife of M. Then there's a star का sign, so it means that M is the father of N. तो आप यहीं पे रुक जाओ, because I can say L is the mother of N right now. So that's why option 1 should be the correct answer. Option 2, 3 or 4 अगर आप check करोगे, it would be incorrect. It won't give you the same result as L is the mother of N. So these were the 15 questions of logical reasoning 2020 SOF IMO paper, and will come up with more such solution videos जहाँ पर आपको जो और सारे portions है like mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics and 5 questions of achiever section. So just check out the page, and if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video then. Bye bye.